It's such a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Bright sunshine, sunny weather. You know, you couldn't ask for anything better. This is just an illusion that we're having rain and rain and more rain. I think Noah's Ark is coming in. Wait, is that an airstream? No, that's a boat. All right? Do you see this? Do you really see this? Okay, wait. I think I might have to water the lawn today. Okay? Of course they didn't get enough water. Look at this. Alrighty. How's that song go? It never rains in Southern California? I must be transported to a different country. Feels like Kauai. Alright? Look at this. Unbelievable.